Fruits that are safe and beneficial for kidney health, Part 3. Number 1. Apples. Benefits. Apples are high in fiber and low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for kidney health. They help reduce cholesterol, prevent constipation, and protect against heart disease, which is vital for those with kidney disease. Nutritional profile, high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Number 2. Berries. Types: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries. Benefits. Berries are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. Cranberries are especially beneficial as they help prevent urinary tract infections, which can spread to the kidneys. Nutritional profile, rich in vitamin C, fiber, and low in potassium. Number 3. Cherries. Benefits. Cherries are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and are a good source of antioxidants. They help reduce the risk of gout, which can lead to kidney stones. Nutritional profile, high in vitamins A and C, fiber, and antioxidants. Number 4. Red grapes. Benefits. Red grapes are a good source of antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which may benefit heart and kidney health. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Nutritional profile, rich in vitamin C and K, and low.
Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.